Morning, I'm Lynn and welcome to another day at Ewetopia Farms. It's still windy, it's still cold, but we got sun again, so that's good. I guess we're gonna go in the barn today and see what's happening in there. I know quite a few changes have happened in there today. And to greet everybody, we have Buddy here on the grass seed that cost us a fortune. We're gonna do a quick check of the barn. Do you have your food, Tommy? No? Okay. Let's get you some. There you go. There you go. Hi, you guys. Scotty. Hi. Someone said they hadn't seen all the cats, and here they all are. Scotty's waiting for his food down there. So I'm going to run down and give him his food. I don't know where Arnie put the scoop. So I got to put it in my hands. Scotty. Hi, you guys. Hi, Scotty. There you go. Hey, they've all been fed. All the cats. These two ewes are in the jugs. And rather than me giving them fresh water, they were both tagged yesterday, as you know. They both look bright-eyed and bushy-tailed today. When we trimmed this ewe, we were concerned about maybe she didn't have enough milk, because when she first delivered her lamb, she didn't have any, but she's got plenty of milk and she's feeding them. None of these guys are being looked after, so I'm going to release them both into the family. Okay, I'll let them out one at a time. Today's going to be a little bit noisier this morning anyway, because today is the day Arnie went to the sales barn. So he took away that load of rams and the cull ewes. So he's not here right now, so I'll be doing chores by myself until he gets back. Go on, Mommy. There. Go with your mom. Go with your mom. Go on. There you go. Follow your mom. There you go. There you go. She ran up that way. It's a little confusing when Mom runs off on you. There she is. There she is. There. Move out of the way, you guys. The new mommy's in. Move out of the way, honey. Move out of the way. Come on. You guys can go free. Do you guys really need to come out? Oh, the Hellion sisters. There you go. Okay, that's one out. This group, I imagine, if we don't have another lamb in a day or two, this group will be going over to the Coverall. Okay, Mom, it's your turn. Yeah, we'll shut this gate and you guys can go out. You're going to like it out there. It's way more exciting than sitting in a jug. Come on. I'll pick them up. Okay, here come these two. There you go. Those are your lammies. Cammy, you got your own lammy. Oh, and here she comes out again. That's not your lammy, Cammy. Come on. I'm gonna let your lammies in. Come on, there they go. Come on, you guys. It's a big step there. There. Okay, in you get, you two. Come on, you don't need to come out. There you go. Come on, why are you coming there? Come on, get out. There. Gee. Sometimes. There, go play with your lammy. Where is she? I think she's way over there. Okay, next on the agenda is to feed the bottle baby in here. So this is my only bottle baby in the barn right now. Cammy, why are you interrupting him? He's another one of those needy males that has to sit on your knee while you do it. Doesn't help that Cammy's trying to push him off. She wasn't a bottle baby, but she likes to be the center of attention. She's a ewe that is a little bit pushy. That's the new one that just came in here this morning. He's with his mom. Mom's sticking close. She's watching. Oh, that's Cammy, you see. That's not her lamb. Cammy, leave it alone. Cammy is a little bit of a bully, I see. The jugs are empty again, as long as there's no lamb in the heifer barn right now when I go back there. But we still have quite a few more to lamb. There's probably about 20. Back here, it's been set up with the ramp here and some catch pens. I'll clean these up. This is where Arnie loaded everybody this morning. So that side of the barn is empty now. And these are the lucky boys. Hi guys. Are you okay? Are you guys okay? These are the ones we selected as the best of the fall Dorset rams. And I do think we got the best ones in here. They're a heavy group. When we do their final Glamvac 6 shot shortly, at that time I'll scan them all and see who it is that we've kept here. Okay, gates all tidied up and put away. We'll go in with these boys and check their salt and mineral. Make sure they're settled into their new spot. Hi boys. Hi. Hi Cracker. Hi. How you doing? Hello Seymour. Hi buddy. Yeah, you're a sweetheart. Yeah, and you're a real sweetheart too. Hi. You guys are lovely. Yeah, you guys are lovely. I think they got good heads on them. Nice straight backs. These girls aren't happy because they've got no hay left. So they're going to have to wait till Arnie gets back. Oh my goodness. But I got to do their salt and mineral, their water, and make sure that there's no lamb in here. Hey girls. How's it going? Arnie will be back soon, don't worry. I don't see any lammy. So these guys are just going to have to wait. It's all right. It's not that bad. You just got fed last night. Greedy buggers. Hey, it's not that bad. See? I got the bottles all ready, and Katie's patiently waiting. So this barn is completely done. We're going to head over to the Coveralls now. As you can see, as we walk over to the Coverall, it used to be a narrow pathway here, but we've eaten off a lot of that wrapped hay now, but we still have an abundance of hay. We've got lots of dry hay because we feed the wet hay first. And someone asked about this hay here, why we were leaving it uncovered outside and letting it mold. But these are bad bales that we'll be putting into the field. They weren't good enough for feeding to the sheep, so they're just here as storage. Just a warning, I anticipate a lot of noise when I work in these coveralls because, like I said, Arnie's not here and no one's fed, so screaming. Yep. And unfortunately all their hay is done, so they're gonna be very, very loud. Usually only the bottle babies are screaming. So we'll open this door because it was closed last night because it was so cold yesterday. My goodness, we're on to the next barn now. This one's even louder. And it looks like none of the barns have hay this morning, so Arnie's got a lot to do when he comes back. But salt and minerals, that's all I'm going to do for you guys. Sorry. The last barn, it's a little quieter here because the lambs actually have hay, but the ewes are out. So Arnie's got 4 bales of hay to feed today. Let's arrive back. I just finished all my chores, so we're gonna, hi sweetheart, head in for lunch, and then we'll come back up here and chat and get all the ewes fed. Kind of a traffic jam in here to make it to the gate. Hey buddies, make way. Coming through. Make way, you guys. Back here in the afternoon, and I see one of the little hellion girls is out. Oh, careful. Are you getting a little too big for that now? Oh, no, she got it that time. Little masters at it, And thought that maybe I spiked your cereal yesterday.
Why?
Because you're a little bit hyper with all your drugs and stuff.
That's hyper? They haven't seen me yet. Should have seen me at home hyper.
So Arnie just fed these girls their bale of hay in the heifer barn, so they're feeling a lot happier than they were this morning. And wait, I'm showing the rams right now. Look at how cute they are. Hi buddy, you made the cut and you look very handsome and worthy. You do. Very worthy. Go get Max, he's an annoyance. So what did you have to say, Arnie? We're focused on you now.
Well, I'm looking for an outcross Dorset ram, so I wonder if anybody in England, Wales, Scotland, Ireland would have a extremely good top-end Dorset ram.
Yeah, we'd love to get one from the UK. Ben, does Cracker look like he likes that?
It's gotta fit in a UPS box.
That wouldn't, if he fit in a UPS box, you probably wouldn't want him.
What is that, Ben?
That's little Cracker.
That's gonna be nice. Oh well.
The lambs I let out this morning look like they've all settled in. They're a lot more quiet now, except for Cammy. Cammy never stops screaming. I don't know what her issue is. Cammy, what is it about you? Why do you scream so much? Why? You're so noisy. I don't get it. You have a nice lamb. You're in a nice group here, and you still have to scream. Oh my goodness. Right now Arnie's filling his tractor up, and he's going to take that snowblower off the back because he's planning on removing that manure pile again, hopefully tomorrow, unless it rains. We do have rain in the forecast, but we're going to try because the ground is still, it's another cold day, so it's still really frozen, and it's getting really close to when we won't be able to get on the fields with the manure spreader anymore. So we'd like to get as much done before the ground is total muck as possible. So we're going to fill up the tractor, take the blower off, and head over to where we rent the manure spreader, which is from a neighbor of ours down the road. Looks like he's going to let me in now. Okay. I can come. What are we doing now, Arnie?
Let's see how much snow is in that laneway. Because the fence brings all the snow in, and if it's too deep, I can't get through it. Because I don't have a new tractor.
Oh, don't even go there, Arnie.
It is what it is.
That's right. It's called no more tractors.
Sure,
Three tractors and a skid steer is plenty for anyone.
No life for Arnie.
Arnie has every life. So up against the coveralls here, you can see we still have a lot of snow where it drifted up. The ground's pretty solid, so that is a really good thing because it means he can bring the equipment over the field. As soon as it starts to melt, he's gonna bog down and get stuck. So we can't do that. And this is the snow. So if we get stuck while we're checking the snow, you guys will get to witness a meltdown.
If we get stuck, we shut the YouTube off.
No, we don't.
Or open those gates.
Okay. So tomorrow, hopefully he's going to be spreading manure. But the video for tomorrow, I've already got it almost finished. It's not going to be a sheep video. Somebody requested that we do a video about how we got married. So I thought it was a different request. So I went back down memory lane and made a video. So anyone who only wants to see the sheep and how we do farming, tomorrow's video is not for you. But if you want to see us and some really, really cool angles of our farm, because there will be a lot of farm shots, check out our video tomorrow. Here we go. We got nothing better to do than drive down a snowy lane, and it feels slippery. Are you skidding?
The spreader would sink into that?
Well, by the time you come back, you might make a nice little trail. Oh. We're not going to crash, are we? I don't have a seatbelt. Arnie, we're skidding. It's just this laneway that has snow. The fields are bare because it's been so windy. That the snow's just blown away. But in the laneway, because there's fence on either side, it's acting like a snow fence to catch the snow and the drifts. But I don't think you'll have any problems anywhere else. I think tomorrow's the first day of spring. Did they like our sheep? What?
Yeah. Good shape is there. Good shape. I'm hoping the spreader goes in here. This one would be pull through this.
You'd think it would.
I will too. Looks like I'm not going to sink in. There's must be ice underneath there.
Yeah.
So we're going to get the spreader, I guess.
So right now we've just backed the tractor into Arnie's shop. And he's going to unhook the snowblower. And we're hoping he never has to hook it back on. But this year, who knows? Okay, now it's a really exciting time. In a minute, we're going to be leaving the farm. It's something that doesn't happen too often around here. Checking for traffic. We don't get too much of that around here. Stop it, Arnie. Here we go. We're driving to pick up a manure spreader. This is what farmers do for fun. It's so bad. I'm wearing my coveralls here, you know, with the rips covered in manure. I had a dream the other night where our neighbors invited us out for a meal. So we met them at the restaurant. And when I got out of the car and we were lining up, because there was a lineup to go in the restaurant, I was wearing this outfit. And the people at the restaurant said, "That's okay, we'll find a spot for you." And they found a place in the back, in a back room, secluded from all the other diners so that nobody would see us. And we went in there to eat by ourselves. I think that says something.
You're special, maybe?
Yeah, it says that I'm special. That wasn't quite what I was thinking, but that'll do. So we're at the farm where the manure spreader is.
What do you see, babe?
Hook her on. And then I'm gonna take you over to see what these guys do real quickly. So we got the manure spreader hooked up. They did not give me permission to film their cows, but I guess if we're just driving by them, anyone could see them on the road, so I think that's okay. They have a beef lot here, and I think some farmers are a little nervous nowadays about showing their operations because there are so many animal activists around that don't like it. So people used to be proud to show off their animals and what they did, but nowadays everyone's just afraid. So unfortunately, I can't do a little talk about the beef cows, which I really wanted to do because they have some really nice beef cows here. But we're headed back home. We'll drive by their beef lot right here on the main road. Look at the colors. Beef cows are the cutest of the cows. This is our trip home in fast motion, so you can see where we live. It looks kind of barren and dismal at this time of year, and you can see we don't have a lot of neighbors. rang. They're all flying in. So we're gonna call that a day, and tomorrow, like I said, we got a special video for those of you who want to see a little bit about us and aren't concerned that there's no sheep in the video. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please be sure to subscribe and like us, and hope you join us again tomorrow for the next episode at Ewetopia Farms. Bye for now.